to my channel. Excited for you to see this video because this week, tomorrow actually, we are getting the ducks. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I painted the cabin pod green, and I think I'm gonna repaint it. It just doesn't look good. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it white. And so it'll still be a black roof, but the board and batten on the front and the back will be white. And I just think it'll just look better. The flow of it will just look cuter and stuff. And so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I want to do it tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do it in the morning before we go get the ducks at 10 a.m. So we're getting the ducks at 10, and so I have plenty of time before then to get that done and out of the way. And so that is the plan. I went to TSC today and got their food and got a little feeder for them. And so I think the last thing, she always does this, but I wanted to show you guys a cute little mug that I got. So I was at TSC and I found this cute little mug. Who would have thought, you know, at like your local store where you get feed and stuff, that they would have mugs like this. So they had like their spring decor out, and so when I saw this, I was like, this is the sweetest thing ever, because I like to sing. I love sitting out on the porch and listening to the birds chirp. Like there is nothing better than sitting on the front porch with a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like to drink, and your journal and your Bible, and just listening to the birds chirp, and it's like sunny out. Oh, that's like my favorite. If I had an ideal like spring and summer morning routine, it would be sitting out the front porch with my little mug and journaling and doing my Bible study. We actually did that a lot when COVID was happening in 2020, when I hadn't met Kyle yet. My mom and dad live in like this really cute red farmhouse, and my mom like really likes birds too, and so I would get her like mugs with birds on it. But anyways, one of our like favorite things to do during that time, just because there was like nothing to do, was to get our favorite mug, make some tea or coffee, and we would go sit out on the porch. And that's where I would songwrite and I would do my Bible study. I mean, I would spend hours out on the porch just sitting there, listening to the birds chirp and just taking in like everything and just having a good quiet time. And so, I don't know, this was just like a little memory of that, and that's another reason why I got it. Other than getting the ducks tomorrow and preparing to settle them in here, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about my garden. And so if you are planting a garden this spring, this is so exciting. I've never planted a flower garden before, so this is going to be my first year doing it and tackling it, but I've had a lot of people speak into me their wisdom and their tips, and so I thought I would pass those along to you. But first, I ordered my flower seeds from Eden Brothers. My goals for my garden this year, it's just flowers. I don't think I'm going to plant any vegetables. We'll see how this goes first. But I wanted to share what type of flowers that I got from Eden Brothers. So if you don't know which ones you want to get, or you're planning a flower garden, but you're like me, you're like, I don't even know where to start, I thought I would just share the ones that I ordered. The website that I bought these seeds from have different kinds of varieties of flower seeds. It's not just one packet of zinnias that you have to choose from. Like, there are so many varieties. And so these are just pink flowers, and the planting time is spring. The next ones that I got were the Pumila white zinnia seeds, and these are just white zinnias. And so I thought this would be really really pretty, just for neutrals in flowers, because I want to be able to take these flowers to people, and so I got different kinds of colors. The next flower seeds that I got are snapdragons, and they are the Madame Butterfly Bronze, and they're color orange. Next up this is one of my favorite ones. I remember seeing this one on the website and thinking I have to get these. This is another type of zinnia seed, and it's the Isn't This Romantic mix. And it's pink, yellow, and white. And this is one of their most popular ones, which was the Oklahoma mix for the zinnias. And it's just different types of colors. And this was also one of my favorite ones of the Cosmos, the Cupcake Blush Cosmos. And they had different kinds of pinks in the seeds, and so it's like light pink and dark pink and just all kinds of like mauve, and so I'm very, very excited to see how those turn out. Another type of pink is the salmon zinnias, and so that's another one that I got more Pumila, which this is a cut and come again flower of the zinnia seeds, and so the more that you cut them, the more that they'll grow back. And so these are pink, yellow, white, purple, violet, rose, salmon, and orange. So a lot of colors in that packet. And then the last one that I got from Eden Brothers was straw flower seeds, and this was the Swiss Giant mix, and it's going to be pink, orange, yellow, and white. That is all that I ordered from Eden Brothers. I'm very, very excited to plant these. It's really hard, you know, just to wait, but everybody's talking about everything spring, and so it's March 1st tomorrow, and Easter is at the end of March and not April, so it's like, when do we plant these flowers? These are going to be the colors of the flowers that I plant from those. I got this mix last year, and I just found them in the drawer. So I'm going to be having an overabundance of zinnias to give away. That is all of my flower seeds that I'm planning on planting this year. We've got a lot of projects coming up. We are going to wrap the posts on our apartment with cedar and the ceiling. And we're gonna do a little bit of planting and like landscaping around the porch. And we're gonna be building the flower boxes, and we're getting the ducks, and we're doing the garden. And so a lot of these next couple videos are just gonna be tackling those projects out, getting spring projects done, and just kind of welcoming in the new season. We still have a while until we plant them, and so we're going to have to wait, but I thought I would go ahead and share which seeds that I bought in case you guys are planning to plant a flower garden too, so that you can have a little bit of guidance or show you what kind of flowers that are available. And so that's the goal.
Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters and look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming.
They are so dirty. Ugh. Have a different, like a different color to them, and so should I name them or should I not? Let's see, if you have name suggestions, comment down below. But they have different colored bands around their legs, and so if, you know, I wanted to name them different names, I could, because I know which ones are which.
The only thing I need is you beside me. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes.